In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF and rotate an eLove PDF. First, let's begin by opening eLove PDF. You can do this by typing eLove PDF into your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see a user-friendly interface designed for seamless navigation. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all subsequent actions you will perform. You want to ensure you are on the correct site to avoid any issues with your PDF files. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now that you have eLove PDF open, you are ready to move to the next step. Next, select the option labeled Rotate PDF. On the main page, you will find various tools available for PDF manipulation. Clicking on Rotate PDF directs you to the specific area where you can manage the orientation of your document. This part is important, as rotating pages can help improve readability or presentation. You will notice that it brings up additional options related to page rotation. With this, you are now set to upload your PDF file. Now, click on Select PDF File to upload your PDF. A dialog box should appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer files. Choose the PDF you wish to rotate and confirm your selection. This step is essential as it uploads your document into the eLove PDF system. Once you have selected your file, you will see it listed on the screen. This confirmation gives you assurance that the document is ready for editing. After your file is uploaded, it is time to rotate the pages. You will see buttons labeled Rotate Left and Rotate Right. Click these buttons as needed to adjust the orientation of your pages. You can choose to rotate specific pages or even all pages at once. Selecting the right option ensures that your document appears exactly how you want it. This flexibility saves you time later on as you won't have to redo any rotations. Once you have made the necessary rotations, click on Rotate PDF. This action will finalize your changes. You should see a progress indicator on the screen. This is important because it confirms that the system is processing your request. After a brief moment, your rotated PDF will be ready for download. To download the rotated PDF, look for the download button that appears after processing. Clicking this will save the new file to your computer. This step ensures that you have the updated version of your document, reflecting all the adjustments made. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your file is now downloaded. Next, we will move on to editing a PDF. Start by opening eLove PDF again, as you will need to access the main page once more. This familiar process allows you to utilize the robust editing features available. Navigate through the options and this time select Edit PDF. This is a vital step because it opens the range of editing tools you can use to modify your document further. With Edit PDF selected, upload your PDF file just like before. Choose the same file or a different one based on your needs. Uploading the correct document is essential for ensuring your edits are applied to the right content. Once uploaded, you will see the editing interface with various tools available. Now, you can use the editing tools to add text, images, shapes, highlight, or draw and add comments or annotations. Each of these tools serves a unique purpose and can enhance your document significantly. This versatility is key in creating a more engaging or informative PDF. You'll find that these options are user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to make your desired changes. Once you have completed your edits, click on Edit PDF to save your changes. This step is crucial because it consolidates all your modifications into the document. You will see a confirmation message that your changes have been saved successfully. Finally, download the edited PDF just as you did previously. Clicking the download button will save your newly edited file to your computer. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and accessible whenever you need it. With everything done, you now have a perfectly rotated and edited PDF ready for use.